Hey guys, my name's Weilong Cubes here. Today I'm here with another episode of Cubing, and today we got an unboxing from speaky.com.au. I want to say thanks to them for sending me this. It has a relatively good amount of stuff in here, so let's just unbox it. As you can see, it's quite big. It's quite of a big package here. It's not as what I would usually order, but I thought I was like, nah, let's order this and see what I would get. So if you guys can read by the title, I have ordered a Weilong GTS, and other stuff. The other stuff I will get to after I, if I can get this open, after I unbox it. Okay. Here's the Weilong GTS. Wow, that actually looks really cool. Some stickers. And some more stickers. And this is the speaky.com.au business card. So first up, we'll get to the t-shirt. I got a small Rubik's Cube t-shirt. See if I can get through it. Ooh, it's actually pretty nice. Okay, I did get small because I am a small guy, and obviously at the back it has speaky.com.au. Now that looks pretty awesome. Thank you for sending that. And then let's get to the main thing, the Weilong GTS. So I don't know how to open this. Oh, okay. Now this, I don't know what it is, this thing. I heard from, I watched Cubologist's video, and it said that you use this for breaking stuff in. I don't really know. Really fancy box. I think that's why the price is up. And this is the Weilong GTS. Now actually looking at this actually looks really different. And let's get to first turns. Okay, my camera might be a bit off. I'm just setting it right now, and this is the Weilong GTS. I forgot to say that the stickers are different. The orange is much brighter, and I'm really impressed on the brighter thing. So let's get first turn. First up, this is actually really good. I gotta say, this is good. Holy crap. Corner cutting. Pretty good. Yeah, just that one spot is a bit more force. Wow, actually, this is actually really good. Now, I've heard that the Weilong GTS is becoming a really good hype right now. And GTS actually stands for unbeatable. See, you have the names on it. It says that GTS means unbeatable, and then GT means supreme. So, I hope you guys liked this video. It was pretty good to unbox this. I'll be wearing this t-shirt probably tomorrow in my school, just to show everyone out. And I'll see you guys in another episode of Cubing. Bye-bye!